Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter H. And at the end, remember, we're going to get a special sticker. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter H. What sound does the H make? It makes the H sound. It's a bouncy sound. Shall we write letter H? We're going to start from the top line, or come all the way down to the bottom line. Then go back to the top on the other side and draw another line all the way back to the bottom. And then go back to the middle and we're going to draw a line across. Well done. Letter H. Shall we write the H sound? Again, we're going to start from the top. Draw the line all the way down to the bottom. Go halfway up, over, then come down, and here we are. H sound. Can you see the letter H? Let's name the letters. A, B, H. Can you point to the letter H? Super. Well done. Can you see the letter H? Let's name the letters. A, H, G. Can you point to the letter H? Fantastic job. Well done. Super job. Now we are looking for the sound the H make. H sound. Let's say the sound and find the H sound. A, N, H. Can you point to the H sound? Super job. Well done. Now again, we're going to find the H sound. G, H, J. Can you point to the H sound? Well done. Super job. Fantastic. Now we have some letters and our job is to find the letter H and highlight it purple. Well done. Let's highlight it purple. We found the first one. Super job. Well done. Let's look for the next one. Well done. Let's have a look to see if there's any more. Fantastic job. So far we found 4H. Let's have a look. Fantastic. There you are. And I think that's it. Well done. You found all the letter H. Now here we have lots of sounds and we're going to look for the H sound. And when we find the H sound, we're going to highlight it purple. Well done, you found the first H. Fantastic job. We found the second H sound. Super job, well done. Are there any more? Yes, well done. Fantastic job, well done. Now we have 3 pictures and we're going to find the picture that begins with the letter H or the sound H, H. Let's name the pictures. Unicorn. H, H, horse. K, K, cat. Does the unicorn begins with a H sound? No. Does the cat begins with a H sound? No. Well done. The horse begins with a H, H, H sound. Fantastic job. Now we have 3 more pictures and we're going to look for the picture that begins with a H sound. K, K, car. B, B, bike. H, H, helicopter. Does the car begins with a H? No. Does the bike begins with H? No. Does the helicopter begins with a H, H, H? Yes, well done. H, H, helicopter. Let's think about a word that starts with a H sound. H, a, t, H, a, t. Hat. Well done. H, a, t, hat. Fantastic job. Well done. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for your sticker? Yes? Let's have a look. Oh wow, we've got a castle sticker. Super job. You've done a fantastic work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.